Wales legend Rhys Carre is back in the international spotlight, including in Steve Tandy's 39-player squad for upcoming tests against Argentina, Japan, New Zealand and South Africa. The Saracens loosehead has 20 caps, and his return comes after some uncertainty over the 25-cap rule for players based outside of Wales. The Professional Rugby Board cleared the way, allowing Carre and his return for his first cap since 2023. Carre's selection has been widely welcomed following a season of standout performances for Saracens in the Gallagher's Premiership. His ball-carrying ability, agility and vision make him a unique asset for Wales, especially in a side increasingly built on movement and intricate play rather than purely physical dominance. Carre's capacity to break the gain line, identify weaknesses in defensive lines and carry effectively in contact adds a new dimension to the Welsh forward pack. The 26-year-old's international journey has not always been smooth. He was controversially released from Wales's preliminary World Cup training squad in 2023. After a season with Cardiff, Carre returned to Saracens, where he quickly regained form and drew praise from English rugby followers for his influence in both attack and defence. Tandy now has a powerful tool in his squad. While Carre may not start every match, his presence provides depth, dynamism and a genuine threat in close quarter and open field situations. His blend of size, skill and rugby intelligence gives Wales a player capable of turning tight games in their favour and creating opportunities for others around him. As Wales prepare for a demanding autumn schedule, Carre's inclusion could prove pivotal. His reintroduction signals not only a chance for personal redemption, but also a strategic boost for a team looking to combine structured power with fluid attacking play. Expect Carre to be at the centre of Wales's plans, with the potential to be one of the standout performers of the campaign.